In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate acceleration. We are still using the same magic triangle that we've used for force and mass. This time we're going to learn all about acceleration. Remember, acceleration is change in speed or directions, and we measure it meters per second squared. The car accelerated as it turned right. Not only did it change directions, which is acceleration, but you also slowed down. Slowing down or speeding up is accelerating. Acceleration is force divided by mass. When we look at the magic triangle, acceleration is in the bottom right corner. We have force on the top over mass. Now, always remember, force is on top. That means it goes inside the box. Mass goes outside. This is very similar to solving for mass, except this time we're just solving for acceleration. But we are going to divide. Always, always remember, we can't forget, acceleration equals force divided by mass. Force is on top, so it goes inside that box. Mass is on bottom, so it goes outside the box. No matter how big or how small. If we have 2 over 5, the 2 goes on the inside and the 5 goes on the outside, even though the 2 is smaller than the 5. Here's our problem. An object has a mass of 21 kilograms. It exerts a force of 5 newtons. What is the acceleration of that object? Step 1, you already know what it is. Let's draw that triangle. What are we solving for? Acceleration. We're going to be dividing because we have numbers on top of each other. All right, step 2, we need to fill in that magic triangle with what we know. We are trying to solve for acceleration, so that's what we need to figure out. And we're going to be dividing because we've got numbers on the top and on the bottom. 5 newtons. 5 newtons is our force because remember, we label force with newtons. 21 kilograms is our mass because that tells us how heavy it is. We have step 2 finished. Step 3, it's time to solve. Let's lay it out. First, let's write out our formula looking at our triangles. Then we need to fill in our formula. Now sometimes this way can be confusing, so we can write the formula the other way. Remember, the number on top, inside the box. The number on bottom, outside the box. When we write it, 5 goes inside the box, 21 goes outside. When we solve, we have 0.24 meters per second squared is our acceleration. We circled our final answer and we're ready to go. That car went pretty slow. Now, acceleration is step by step, just like force and mass are. We need to be sure if we get stuck, we be sure we're taking our time, writing out the triangle, filling in the triangle, writing out our formulas. You can always watch this video over and over to make sure you get it right every time.